Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be fixing our garage door that has recently broken quite badly. This video will be done in two parts, and in this part we will be reinforcing the garage door. So stay tuned till the end of the video to see how that is done. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comments down below. As always, if you guys like these types of videos, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video.
So we are fixing our garage door today. As you can see, the middle of the door is broken, and also there are two glass panes are broken. So there is no glass here, no glass here. So all I did is I opened these screws and removed the glass panes. So these are the pieces that came off the window. There are two fixes, two-step fixes. First, I have to fix this door. To push it back and put some reinforcement so it doesn't get cracked again, and then I have to put new glasses here. Now these glass openings are 12 by 16 inches, so actual dimension from here to there is like little less than 12 and little like quarter inchy less than 12 and quarter inchy less than 16. 11 3/4 and 15 3/4 glass will be perfect here, and then we can put the frame back. So either you can buy picture frame and take the glass from the picture frame, that is 12 by 16 picture frame, or you can cut acrylic sheets to the size and replace the window panes, because I searched online, the replacement glasses for these are not available, so you have to be a little creative. To put the reinforcement here, I bought some angle bars from Home Depot. Here is my angle bars, two angle bars. I'll use those to reinforce. So first I'll open these two and try to reinforce the door in place. So I'll remove these screws and then remove this bracket. So this is loose, and then I have more room to work on this. So these screw heads are 11 millimeter. So I use 11 millimeter socket. So one screw, four screws like this. I think there are two more screws at the back. Yeah, those are star head. So I need star head screwdriver. Screw with pin here to keep it in place. The pin is missing, so I have to put a pin back, but I can just push this screw and detach this. And then there is a star head that I'll use with this to remove this bracket. This is from outside. Trying to remove these two screws to remove this bracket. Removed. So now we have room to work with these. Use the mallet. think I'll put these back, because once I straighten this, it will be difficult to put it back in tight space. This bracket here, and screw it here and here, so it is reinforced. And then the second bracket, I'm thinking I'll put this bracket under the other bracket. Yeah, so I need to open it again. So I remove this bracket because I want to put this reinforcement under the bracket. So after this reinforcement, I'll put the bracket over it. Now, one challenge here, previously the screws were here and these are getting behind the solid portion, but this bracket also have two holes here that perfectly aligns these two holes, and these holes perfectly align this reinforcement bracket. So instead of using these two, I'll use these two holes. So I'll now put it back, and I'll first put these screws bracket. I'll put these screws through the reinforcement bracket and the bracket both. One screw and the other one. This reinforcement bracket under this bracket, I'll now both sides I'll put screws like every 12 inches, one screw, and also screw on this and that side. Both side I'll put screws. I'll use these type of screws, sharp head screws on this side, because I don't want anything to expose on the outer side of the gate. So I'll use these sharp head screws on this side, but this side I'll use screws with nuts. So I'll put screws here and nuts on this side, or screws here and nuts on that side. Head screws that I will use on the vertical wall. These screws with nuts I will use vertically, and the sharp head screws, this one I will use horizontally, because I don't want any nuts outside the door. I'll drill some holes for the screws. Now I'll put these screws to connect the bracket. I put every 8 to 10 inches one screw. So I have put screws every 8 inches here. These are sharp ended screws without any bolts. So now these ones I will drill vertically to put screws with bolts. I'll do this in the middle. So I'll drill the holes again, middle of those vertical screws. So I put one bracket on the top. Now I'm putting one bracket in the bottom, but I have drilled the vertical holes for the screws. Now I didn't put the screws because I want to put the screws through both the brackets. So I want the holes to align. I was able to put one screw through the bottom bracket, through this bar, and through the top bracket. So this screw connects both the bracket. Now I haven't tightened it completely because I want all other did one mistake. There are two types of holes, round holes and elliptical holes. So I have drilled through the round holes from the top bracket, so I want this also through the round holes. I'll take it out and put through the round holes. Okay, put the bolts, connect both the brackets together. I'll try to the same for. So that's how I reinforce the garage door with two reinforcement angle bracket purchased from Home Depot. Each one was about $18. So I have put vertically screws through both the brackets. These screws are through both the brackets with nuts and bolts, and these screws, horizontal screws, and these are sharp-headed screws just piercing into the door. So now we'll test the door. So before that I have to connect this. So now I will connect this to the door, and I'll put a clip so that it does not come off. That's it. We'll now test the door. Now we'll try the door. It opens without any problem and without buckling. The reinforcement is in place. And now I have two screws that went behind the door, and I did not access earlier bracket while the door is closed. It was hard to reach the other side. So because we added this bracket and this bracket is over this, so this is a little bit shifted, so the screw holes are not matching. So I'm putting the new screw holes, and then I'll just reinforce it with the two star head screw. Now I'm just reinforcing this bracket. So okay, that pretty much concludes this.
Alright guys, so that was part 1 of fixing our broken garage door. If you guys have any more questions, make sure to ask in the comments down below. Stay tuned for the next part of this video where we will replace the glass panes of the garage door. Also, if you liked this video, make sure to check out our video on replacing a broken garage spring. As always, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.